welcome. This week we are going to start talking about geometry and shapes. Before we do all that, we have got to know about angles and what they are all about. We have vocabulary. Let's take a look at our words. We have ray, angle, and we have right angle. A ray is a part of line that has one endpoint and continues forever in one direction. To draw a ray, make an arrow to show that it goes on forever. So here's some examples of ray. So we have our endpoint, and then here's our line. This arrow means that it goes on forever. We have our endpoint, our line stops. The line keeps going on forever this way. Our endpoint, our line keeps going on forever that way. And our line keeps going on forever that way. And there's our endpoint. Two line segments. A segment is just a piece. So two line segments or pieces, or two rays that meet at an endpoint, form an angle. This is important. Here's our two line segments or pieces. Right here is where we form our angle. Here we have an angle. Here we have an angle. Here is our angle. This is where the two lines meet. So wherever two line segments meet, we have an angle. An angle that forms a square corner is called a right angle. And here is a picture of a right angle. If you ever see this on two line segments, this corner right here, I know it is a right angle. It forms a 90-degree angle. Sometimes it will not have a square right here. So don't just look to see if it has a square. Like a sticky note, you will see there's a right angle. I have one right here, one down here, one over here. There's actually 4 right angles. You can go around your house and find all the right angles, or see what shapes have different types of angles. Some angles are smaller than a right angle. That's called an acute angle. Here is a picture of an acute angle. This angle right here, it's less than my right angle. Some angles are larger than right angles. We have obtuse angles. My angle right here is greater or larger than my right angle. On the bottom, it says these angles are named with a letter in the corner. So we have V, W, X, Y, and Z. On this, it says which of the angles are right angles. So which of my angles form a square corner? Is my V a right angle? No, because my angle is way bigger than a right angle. Is W a right angle? Yes, I know it's a right angle because I have a square corner right here, and it's exactly like my sticky note. So yes, W is a right angle. Is X? No, because my angle is less than my right angle. If I was to make this into a right angle, it would look like this. And this is way less than that. Is Y? Yeah, this is less than a right angle. Is Z? Oh, let's put our paper up there and see. Yep, it is greater than a right angle. So which of the angles are smaller than a right angle? We have, is this smaller than a right angle? No, we said it was bigger. Is X? Yes, X is. Is Y smaller than a right angle? Yes. And is Z smaller than a right angle? No, it was larger. So X and Y are smaller than my right angle. They're acute angles. Which of the angles are larger than my right angles? We know V is way bigger than my right angle. Z is just a little bit bigger than my right angle. Here's a right angle. If I drew that out, it's a little bit bigger. So Z is larger than my right angles. V and Z are our obtuse angles. All right, later on in our lessons, we are going to get into triangles, different types of triangles. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. And I hope everybody's having a good day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.